Okay, we'll finish up on this US dollar yen. Big week last week for the US dollar yen. Last 3 days of the week basically where we've seen quite big moves here. Sort of 250, about 300 pips, I would say, which is quite a lot for the US dollar yen in 3 days. So yeah, so good developments here. We could have some opportunities coming up here. We broke this upper back resistance level. I was saying last week we really need to get up and break this level up here before we can start to sort of develop into any sort of trade, any kind of direction. It was just I had no kind of direction with it. So we did that last week, 92.27. We've come a little bit through there. We've made a higher high now. Could possibly almost qualify as a higher low here as well in comparison to this one here. So yeah, things are starting to look fairly bullish here actually, and looks like we're going to close on the weekly above this 91.88 level as well, which would be pretty significant. And on the monthly, still 3 days to go. If we have a good start to the week here, we could remove that 92.14 level on the monthly. So yeah, things are looking not too bad here. As we can see here on the weekly chart, we've got TDST resistance up here at the 95.28 area. So if we take this back to the daily chart, we'll see that the first target here is the 95.88 level. So not too far away from this 95 level up here, so there's certainly room for this market to move. And if we were to get up there, it would be another higher high on the weekly charts, and we'd definitely say we've made a higher low here. So it could even bring that 97 level into play and start to bring out a longer term bullish scenario here for this pair. So we'll need to keep a close eye on that. But anyway, in the meantime, if we come down to that 91.88 level, 91.86 level, I think it may be worth looking to buy a bounce from that level. You can see here that the sell setup will be complete if we hit the 91.72 level. So we could quite easily just come down, peek through here, 92.70, 91.72, and then make a quick bounce from there. Certainly that's what the charts are saying to me anyway. So I think that's quite a good looking scenario. Just see if we have anything here on the 4 hour. We've got TDST support at the 90.24, which is a bit further. It takes us down to about a 50% retracement of the overall move. On the hourly chart, we've got a TDST support level at 91.86, so there you go. There's a significant level, which is also the level here on the weekly. So by the looks of this, I would say probably that 91.76 level here, 86, sorry, looks quite inviting, I would say, as a chance to look to go long. So yeah, I think that's going to be the level I'll be watching. So we're currently, what are we, 64 points from there at the moment. So as I said, this pair looks the sort of most cleanest sort of looking chart at the moment after we had this development last week. It's quite clear we're going to have a good close to the week, and then a retest of that level, which also appears on the hourly TDSTs. We could possibly close above 92.14 on the monthly, and yeah, so I think there's a good opportunity here to go long. So that'll be the play this week here on this pair. Okay, cheers.